paper statements, endless fees, and that feeling you're just another number? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if there was a better way? A bank built for the digital age, designed for your busy life, and that actually helps you manage your money? Enter challenger banks. These new financial institutions are shaking things up, offering innovative features, sleek interfaces, and, most importantly, ditching the traditional banking baggage. Today, we're diving deep into one such challenger, Qonto. Qonto, the name, the game. Now, the name Qonto might have you scratching your head for a second. It's not exactly a household name yet, but that's part of the challenger bank charm. The name itself is a play on compte, the French word for account, with a Q thrown in for a bit of modernity. It's short, catchy, and reflects their focus on providing a simple, convenient banking experience. But don't let the quirky name fool you. Qonto is a serious player in the financial world, offering a robust suite of features for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses. Think mobile banking with all the bells and whistles, multiple user access, real-time expense tracking, and integrations with popular accounting software. So, is Qonto right for you? That depends. If you're a traditional banking loyalist who craves the comfort of a brick-and-mortar branch, then Qonto might not be the best fit. They operate solely online, so no popping in for a quick chat with a teller. However, if you're a tech-savvy individual or business owner who values convenience and control, Qonto could be a game-changer. Fees and fine print. Of course, with any financial service, fees are a crucial consideration. Qonto offers a free plan with basic features, but for more advanced functionalities like multiple user access and integrations, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The Expensify question. Now, you might be wondering what this all has to do with Expensify. This video is about Qonto, not another financial service. A valid point. The truth is, while Expensify is a fantastic expense management tool, it doesn't replace the need for a good bank account. Qonto, with its focus on expense tracking and integrations, can be a great companion app for Expensify users. The takeaway. Qonto is a strong contender in the challenger bank arena, offering a modern and convenient banking experience for freelancers and small businesses. Whether it's the perfect fit for you depends on your individual needs and comfort level with online banking. But one thing's for sure, Qonto is a name to remember in the ever-evolving world of finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.